Hey, what's going on guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you create WhatsApp business account on your iPhone. Now, this could also work on your Android devices, so let's start. So first, you need to download the WhatsApp business, and once you open it up, this is how it's gonna look like. So from here, tap on agree and continue. Now here, you will have two options to use your current number or use a different number. So you can choose between these two options. Moving forward, you just need to wait for the process to finish. So after that, you now need to create your business profile. So go ahead and type in your business name and choose a profile photo. Now, under category, you can choose what kind of business you are running. You can scroll through a list of businesses and choose the one that best describes your business. Now, WhatsApp Business is pretty much the same as your regular WhatsApp. The only thing that's different here is you have business tools. So let's check it out and see what we can do from here. So here you have your business profile and your catalog. Now, if you check out your business profile, it is going to show the information of your business. Now, going to the catalog, this is going to show your products and services. So if you want to add a product or a service, just tap on add item. So here you can customize your product. You can add an image, give it a name, and also you can put the price. And you can also add more information to your product. Alright, now this is how you can add items to your catalog. And once you're done, you can tap on save on the upper right corner of the screen. So in WhatsApp Business, you can also use the messaging tools feature. So you can send messages when you are away. You can also send greeting messages, quick replies, labels, and short link. Alright, so that is how you create WhatsApp Business account. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.